Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Texas Instruments. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Texas Instruments has a market cap of $147 billion, a current stock price at $153.95, and they operate in the semiconductors industry. If we go back to this 10-year graph, we can see that Texas Instrument with ticker TXN has greatly overperformed the S&P 500. If you invested $10,000 10 years back, you would actually have $73,146, and this is with dividends reinvested for both the SPY and TXN. Now, some financial data. The annual sales growth on average the past 5 years is 6.5%. That's really strong. And the earnings even better, 18.9%, extremely good. The analyst expects a bit weaker earnings ahead though, but still very good at 10%. The return on capital has been a staggering 36% the last 5 years, extremely nice. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating, it will only take them about 1.2 years to pay it off. So 5 out of 5 on the financial side. Let's take a look at the yield. The dividend yield right now is actually above 3%, so definitely a check mark there. And last year they actually bought back 0.75% of their shares. A healthy payout ratio at about 47%, and the dividend growth rate is at double digits and actually 18% the last 5 years. So far 9 out of 10. Will Texas Instrument be a perfect 10? And yes, 10 out of 10. They have been growing their dividend for 16 consecutive years, so this is indeed a perfect 10 on the financial and yield side. Congratulations, Texas Instruments. Let's take a look at the valuation. Here we have Texas Instruments in fast graphs. The orange line, which is the earnings per share, is growing quite steadily. There are some volatility compared to the S&P, but overall we can see that the annual earnings growth is about 9.45%. So that's really good. Same with the credit rating. This is actually an A+ credit rating from the S&P. If we plot the normal PE, we can see that the normal PE is about 19.5, and the current stock price is at 162, which would make up for a 17 PE. So right now might actually be a good time to add some Texas Instrument if you believe in the company in long term. If we project out to late 2024, we can see an annual rate of return of about 4.7%. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!